So the type of investments you can make with a ROBS transaction, which stands for rollover as business startups, are active ongoing businesses that have an ongoing day-to-day activity. So examples of those are a startup business where you're going to be hiring employees, having day-to-day operations, acquiring an existing business, or potentially even property flipping. So if you're a property flipper, you can purchase a house, increase that property's value by doing repairs, maintenance, and overhaul, and then selling that property. What you couldn't do, though, is go out and buy a rental property, sit on it, collect rental income, because that's not an active, ongoing business. Now, however, you could do what's called property management company, where you actually own your own real estate, but at the end of the day, you're a property management company. That is an active, ongoing business, but you have to make sure you market yourself as such. So there's a lot of little nuances, especially when it comes to real estate, but at the end of the day, as long as you have active, ongoing, day-to-day operation business, you are allowed to use this transaction for that purpose. Now, the funds can also be used for an SBA loan. SBA loans are a growing market for this type of transaction because let's say you get $1 million SBA loan, you're required to typically put in 20 to 25% capital injection to get this business that you want, whether it's an acquisition or a startup. And some people might have, say, $100,000 and they still are short $150,000 for that $250,000 capital injection for that $1 million SBA loan. Well, if you have money in your retirement account, guess what? You can use this transaction to access the funds, penalty and tax deferred, so you can get the business that you want without having to take the money out of the retirement account and pay the penalties and taxes for doing so. So this structure is great for active, ongoing businesses, or also if you're looking to acquire an SBA loan but don't have the cash on hand that's required for the 20 to 25% capital injection.